Okay, so I just read about GitHub's new features, and wow, they have some really interesting tools for developers.
Right? Like GitHub Copilot, which helps write better code by suggesting snippets. It's like having a coding buddy.
Exactly, but isn't it a little concerning? I mean, how much do we rely on AI to write code for us?
Good point. There's definitely a balance to strike. Too much dependency could lead to a lack of skill development.
And then there's GitHub Actions for automating workflows. That can save tons of time, but can it also introduce errors?
For sure, automation is great until something goes wrong. Debugging automated processes can be tricky.
Totally, but what about GitHub Advanced Security? It helps find and fix vulnerabilities. Isn't that a game changer?
Definitely, but the evidence suggests that not all vulnerabilities are caught. It's a mixed bag.
Wait, seriously, I assumed it would catch most issues. What do you think limits its effectiveness?
Well, sometimes it depends on how the code is written. If the vulnerabilities are subtle, they might slip through.
That makes sense, so it's like having a security guard at a party. If they don't know what to look for, trouble can sneak in.
Exactly. And that's why ongoing education for developers is crucial. They need to know how to write secure code.
Speaking of education, have you seen GitHub Learning Pathways? It's cool how they offer structured learning for developers.
Yes, it's a smart move, but I wonder, does it cater to all skill levels? Could beginners feel overwhelmed?
That's an interesting question. If the content isn't accessible, it might push new coders away instead of helping them.
Right, but at the same time, if it's too basic, advanced users might find it unhelpful. It's a delicate balance.
Exactly, and then there's GitHub Code Spaces, instant dev environments. I mean, that's a game changer for collaboration.
For sure, it's like having a portable workspace. But does that mean developers might lose touch with local setups?
Good point, it's like switching from homemade meals to ordering takeout every day. Convenience versus skill.
Haha, well said. And don't forget about GitHub discussions. That could change how teams communicate.
Yes, it's a great way to collaborate outside of code, but I'm curious, could it create too much noise?
That's definitely a risk. If discussions get chaotic, important ideas might get lost in the chatter.
So the key seems to be finding a balance between collaboration and clarity, but that's easier said than done.
Absolutely. And speaking of clarity, GitHub Code Review is all about managing code changes effectively.
Right, but I wonder, how do you ensure reviews are constructive and not just a checkbox task?
Great question. It's about creating a culture where feedback is valued, not just a formality.
That makes a lot of sense. It's all about fostering open communication within teams.
Exactly. And if GitHub can help with that, it could really enhance the developer experience.
But let's not forget, tech isn't the only factor. Team dynamics play a huge role too.
True, technology can facilitate, but it won't solve interpersonal issues. That's on the team.
So tying this all together, GitHub's tools are powerful, but they need to be used thoughtfully.
Definitely. It's all about leveraging the technology while still maintaining core developer skills.
And creating an environment where everyone feels heard and can contribute meaningfully.
Exactly. So, what's the takeaway for developers using these tools?
I think it's to stay engaged, continue learning, and not rely solely on automation.
Absolutely. There's so much potential here, but staying grounded in skills is key.
And who knows what the future holds with AI and coding tools? It's an exciting yet cautious journey ahead.
Right? Let's keep exploring and adapting as technology evolves. There's always more to discover.